Just want to do a quick video about the video camera and everything that comes with it. As the case comes with it, got the belt loop on the side, Velcro fastener, simple in design, 2 batteries, power adapter, power cord, and AV cables. The camera itself has the swing open rotating viewfinder handle, controls at the top, focusing on the lenses, slide controls, power and setting buttons. The connector is back there, where you can attach your light, external light, camera. Records in 1080p with 24 megapixel MP pictures. And there you have it. Enjoy.